Want to give your Instagram Reels a unique voice? Let me show you how to use a text-to-speech feature and make your content stand out. Hi everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to use a text-to-speech feature on Instagram Reels. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app. Swipe right to access the creation screen. Next, tap on the Reel option from the bottom of your screen. Then record or upload a video clip or picture that you want to use. Once your picture or video is ready, tap the AA icon at the bottom of your screen to add text. Tap the message and tap on the Done button. Tap on the text that you just added and you'll see a pop-up menu. From the options, select Text-to-Speech. You'll be prompted to pick a voice. Instagram usually offers a couple of options. Choose the one that fits your style best and tap on the Done button. Drag the text slider at the bottom of your screen to match when you want the speech to play in your video. Review your reel to make sure everything sounds perfect. Once you're happy with it, tap the Next button and share it with your followers. And that's how you can use text-to-speech feature on Instagram Reels. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to share it with your friends who might love this feature too. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tricks.